morning everyone. Welcome to our Suryodaya program. We start our day with wonderful prayer by Shubham Agrawal. Thank you Shubham. He is a student of MSc Cybersecurity second semester. After that we have Varish with us to share his view on how COVID-19 changed a perception of people towards the technology. Thank you Varish for your participation. After that we have a Tirth Gachar, our alumni student. He is sharing a poetry with us. Thank you Tirth for your participation. I hope you all enjoy this Suryodaya program. Have a nice day.
कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं, तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं। अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम, अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम, राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम, राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम। कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं, बेर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं, बेर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं। अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम, अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम, राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम, राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम। कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं, माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं, माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं। अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम, अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम, राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम, राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम। कौन कहते हैं भगवान नाचते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान नाचते नहीं, गोपियों की तरह हम नचाते नहीं, गोपियों की तरह हम नचाते नहीं। अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम, अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम, राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम, राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम, राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम, राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम। जानकी वल्लभ।
Hello, all of you. I am Varis from MCA 1B. As we all know that today I am here to tell something vivid ideas about that how the COVID-19 has changed people's view for the technology. So we can say that or see that how the technology grow rapidly in this pandemic situation. Means if we are going to say about the online platform, means the company or the software which provide the online platform to communicate to each other has become rapidly exceeded. Means all the softwares like a Zoom, like a Google Meet, like a Skype has take place in a market or in a IT industry, which will help us to communicate in this situation also. It helps us. Means IT industry play a vital role. Means technology play a vital role in this pandemic. Like if we can take an example of Zoom. If we are I think Zoom was launched in 2013, but if we will study his statistics for previous 2 or 3 years, like we can say that his revenue at 2018 that was 331 million. In the next year 2019 their revenue was 623 million. But if we are talk about 2020, in the pandemic, their revenues was exceeded to 2.6 billion. And not even this, if we are going to talk its profit, the profit was 7 millions in 2018, and it was increased by 20 millions in 2029. And if we will talk about the 2020, their profit was increased by 671 million dollar. These all amounts in the dollar. So we can imagine that how the technology exceed and how the technology take place in this pandemic situations. And even our education system, all things will be, I think, goes to be online, or you may say this type of interaction, online teaching is trade which will be continue for forever, as I am thinking. So it also affect the education systems, like as we are usually listen, hello sir, you are not audible, so something like this. These all words, we all are familiar with this word. Why? Because we all are using the technology which help us to teach or study in this pandemic. So we can also say that the every industry, every schools, and the other industry of IT industries also have used this digitalization system, which one is help us to bravely fight with this pandemic situation. This one is a role of IT industry, or you may say technology. But there is some disadvantage also. Peoples are going to be habited to use the internet, are going to you habited to use internet. So we can say that the heavy use of the internet during this pandemic for various purpose has raised the people's data requirements. And there are a lot of data is generated in this pandemic situation. So IT industry has also a big challenge to manage their data. This is also challenging for IT industry. And in this pandemic, artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning, this type of things is growing rapidly, because in this pandemic lot of persons and lot of students is going to be interested in this sector. So it also a very big impact of IT industry through or by this COVID-19. So we can say that it's a such thing like that, it's a bad for us when if we are going to be tell about the family situation, or when we are going to tell about the people's family. If anyone parents, any relatives are going to be died due to this pandemic, it is a very panic or for everyone, because lot of people have died due to this COVID-19. So we have need to be conscious for that. If we want to fight with this COVID-19 and again we want to be normal all the things, then we have need to be stay safe and maintain the social distancing. And I wish and I pray to God that please keep this world safe and make the world again safe. That's all. Thank you.
Namaskar, my name is Tirth Gajjar. I was a student of FCA department from batch 2014-16. I am going to read a poetry, a beautiful poetry. That name is Ochintu Koi Mane Raste Made, and written by Dhruv Bhatt. ઓચિંતું કોઈ મને રસ્તે મળે અને કદી ધીરેથી પૂછે કે કેમ છે, આપણે તો કહીએ કે દરિયાશી મોજમાં ને ઉપરથી કુદરતની રહેમ છે. ઓચિંતું કોઈ મને રસ્તે મળે ને કદી ધીરેથી પૂછે કે કેમ છે, આપણે તો કહીએ કે દરિયાશી મોજમાં ને ઉપરથી કુદરતની રહેમ છે. ફાટેલા ખિસ્સાની આડમાં મૂકી છે અમે છલકાતી મલકાતી મોજ, એકલો ઊભો ને તો એ મેળામાં હોઉં એવું લાગ્યા કરે છે મને રોજ. તાળું વસાય નહીં એવડી પટારીમાં આપણો ખજાનો હેમખેમ છે, આપણે તો કહીએ કે દરિયાશી મોજમાં ને ઉપરથી કુદરતની રહેમ છે. આંખોમાં પાણી તો આવે ને જાય, આંખોમાં પાણી તો આવે ને જાય, નથી ભીતર ભીનાશ થતી ઓછી. આંખોમાં પાણી તો આવે ને જાય, નથી ભીતર ભીનાશ થતી ઓછી. વધઘટના કાંઠાઓ રાખે હિસાબ, નથી પરવા સમંદરને હોતી. સૂરજ તો ઉગે ને આથમીએ જાય, સૂરજ તો ઉગે ને આથમીએ જાય, મારી ઉપર આકાશ એમ નેમ છે, આપણે તો કહીએ કે દરિયાશી મોજમાં ને ઉપરથી કુદરતની રહેમ છે. ઓચિંતું કોઈ મને રસ્તે મળે ને કદી ધીરેથી પૂછે કે કેમ છે, આપણે તો કહીએ કે દરિયાશી મોજમાં ને ઉપરથી કુદરતની રહેમ છે.